Hi, I'm Marcy Klein with Klein Creative Media. Today I want to tell you a little bit about green screen video and how you can use it effectively for your next business video. If you don't know what a green screen is, it's a cost-effective way to deliver simple and concise branded messaging with ease and efficiency. When we shoot a video on the green background, we're able to cut the green backdrop and replace it with any color or scenery that helps to tell your story. This technique is great for businesses who want to share knowledge with their customers while branding their business at the same time. Many how-to, explainer, and introductory videos are so busy in the background, it's difficult to see both the person speaking and the important graphics or images they want to share. Green screen solves that issue. When I shoot Klein Creative Media video blogs like this one, I start with the green screen, but in editing, I change the screen to my branding color blue. You'll see that I can add my logo and give my talking head video a clean branded look. But you're not limited to just solid colors. In this video, the client wanted to do a story about an outdoor adventure service he was advertising. But rather than have our whole crew trek out to the forest, we were able to shoot the entire video in front of a green screen and replace the green with the look of a forest behind him. Now in this video, we took our host and put a high-tech graphic behind him to illustrate the topic of nuclear waste. Now in this video, we created our own special branded graphics to introduce a new idea the company has launching. The only limit to the possibilities is your imagination. If you want to increase your video presence on the web, your website, video blogs, or email blasts, make sure to contact us today. Because we are so excited to introduce the new stage to our existing clients, we are offering an opening special. 6 video blogs for $9.95. That's a little over $150 per video, and will get you 6 months of new videos to launch. After the special, we go back to our regular prices. If you're hesitating because you're nervous to be on camera or you think you can't remember your lines, not to worry. Right now, I'm reading off a teleprompter. We'll throw in the teleprompter free of charge if you take advantage of this unique opportunity to be one of the first clients to use our new green screen. Don't hesitate, contact Klein Creative Media today and get your video started.